YouTubers, I am Aheer. Welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to be unboxing a Chevrolet Corvette C7. Let's begin. The top speed of the car is 185 miles per hour with a V6 engine. The car is manufactured in Kentucky, USA. Let's begin unboxing. The color of the car is orange. Orange is my favorite color. Wow! The doors can be opened. Let's see the interior. The interior of the car is black. It even has a spoiler. I like this car a lot. Let's see how smooth it is. Well, the car is pretty smooth. It even has the pull back and go action. Thank you guys for watching my video and please like and subscribe.